Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use survival tokens in Last Word Survival game. So first of all you have to download and install the Last Word Survival game. If you have not downloaded it yet, this is a very nice game. And now let's move forward to the main steps. So first of all you have to go to your survival interface, and then here we will see this site here, like this home site. You just have to tap onto it. Also you can just tap onto your character option, and from there you can just simply choose any character that you want to use. For example, I'm gonna tap onto this Jolene and Jolene, and now you can see this is how you can use survival tokens on this game. So this is as simple as that, and make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.